Alright, y'all. I don't know if I showed this, but this is our view from the window. So you can see the monorail right there, and then we're in the wing, so that's the main tower. And we do not have a balcony, so just something to note if you're in the wing section of the Contemporary. But yes, this is our little view. She's coming to get you, Tyler. Tyler. Are you gonna eat that apple? Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I haven't really started this vlog, so hello. But we're back in Magic Kingdom for the last day for a little bit. And I came here by myself for a little bit, watched the little friendship fair show in front of the castle. We did 7 Doors Mine Train just now, so trying to figure out what we're gonna do next, so stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so we just did alright, so we just did It's a Small World, as y'all saw. We had Fast Pass for Splash Mountain, but it's down, so we don't know if we'll be able to get on it or not today. But it is a little crowded today because today is the Halloween party, but we do not have tickets, so we'll be getting kicked out at some point. But yeah, I think we're gonna do Haunted Mansion next again. So yeah, and look at this guys. Oh, look at that, guys. I feel like it'd be really relaxing just to get on and chill on this boat. Alright, y'all, we back. Splash Mountain's back up and running. Thank goodness. Woo! We out here. Alright, y'all, we just rode Splash Mountain. I got a little wet. Tyler, you can't really tell. He's wearing a black shirt, but he got soaked. Where? They're in line. Oh, people are dressed up as Stranger Things, y'all. I don't know if I can get this.
You didn't watch the last season, did you?
I didn't watch the last season, but I've seen the other seasons.
So then look that up.
You can't really tell, probably, in my camera, but anyway, we kind of stuck on Splash a little bit, so we about to do Haunted Mansion, y'all. It says 20 minutes, but Tyler's about to time it, hopefully, see how long it takes us to get on. But yeah, so hey Laura, yeah, all these ghosts, everywhere, and I still can't find a booth. It happens. Keep looking. Ooh, it's foggy. Oh no. Alright, y'all, I did not end the vlog yesterday, but I'll probably lump this in with yesterday. So good morning. This is our last day. All right, let's go. So we are at Disney Springs for a little bit, probably just a couple hours, and then we're gonna head home. But yesterday we just, you know, rode some extra rides and went back because it was a Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party night. Look at them. Yep. And we didn't have tickets, so had to be out of there. But here we are. Yeah. Here we are at Disney Springs. So eat, do some shopping and whatnot. So I guess I'll catch y'all later. Y'all, it's nothing like Disney Springs Day out here. Oh my gosh. It's just beautiful. I wish we had more time here, to be completely honest. Of course, you got the hot air balloon up there. And of course, you gotta have Starbucks. But they got some food trucks out here, y'all. Look at that. I didn't even know they did that. So that's awesome. But yeah, so pretty.